here's the extra tall, large camping chair, perfect for outdoors camping and all outdoor scenery. I love this thing. I love that it comes with this huge duffel bag and there is a strap on the side, so it's easy and convenient to carry around. It comes off super easily. The setup took me probably just a few seconds, and just for height reference, I am 5'5", so this is how tall it is compared to me. And then there's a little buckle right here, so you just have to undo that, and it holds everything in place, which is great. And then you just have to unfold it. I will show you an up-close view here in a sec, but here's how it looks when I sit down. It is super stable. But here it is up close. It is pretty tall, but I love that it's like waist height, which is super nice, really easy to sit up on. And these are really comfortable, by the way. They all are padded. You can remove these as well. This is a nice cup holder on the side. It does collapse where you can move it up like this. And then this is going to be just a side pocket here. And there's a lot of different options here. You can have another drink in here, your cell phone, any smaller stuff in here. Here's the back of it. It's really stable, doesn't move around or slide at all. And then I love that there's also the stabilization bar right here, and you can also stand up on this to get up, which is super cool. But I love this, really nice for camping and outdoors, and I would definitely recommend it.